If you're sleeping in the car and the keys are in the ignition, you can be arrested for DWI. Many people say, but I was just trying to sleep it off, quote unquote. Well, be careful. If the keys are in the ignition, you can be arrested for DWI if the car is running. If you're arrested for DWI, you can get conditional licenses. There are ability for attorneys to get you a conditional use license so you can drive to and from work. It's important that you understand that if you are somebody who works for a living and you get arrested if you drive for a living and you get arrested for a DWI, it's going to affect your ability to work. The statute calls for the ability, a conditional license to get to and from work, but not for work. So it's very important that if you are a CDL truck driver, if you're a taxi driver, you should never get behind the wheel of a car with any kind of alcohol, because this could affect you greatly and impact you. If you work at an office, you will be able to get the ability to drive. If you're somebody who has a job where you have to, in most cases, you'll get the ability to drive, depending on the circumstances. If you work in a situation where you have to move around from job to job, the Department of Motor Vehicles may issue you a conditional use license that could help you, but it depends on your unique circumstances. So it's very important that you understand that if keys are in the ignition, you're going to be arrested for DWI if you are intoxicated. So never have those keys in the ignition if you've pulled over to the side of the road, and you should consider going into the back seat of the car.